This is insane. The price of Shiba Inu has been rising. The public is in a panic. But today, an even more bizarre event occurred. The unimaginable has recently done by Coinbase. Investors may be coming to Shiba Inu in the near future. Here's what's even stranger. There are a lot of rumors circulating. It is possible that a renowned investor may intervene. This might perhaps save Shiba Inu from the depths. What is going on? And what exactly am I talking about? All right, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Just now, Shiba Inu made a sudden plunge. Also, the shock is being felt by investors. Following what seemed to be a strong comeback yesterday, when investors finally saw their portfolios improve, the decline today destroyed all of that enthusiasm. Suddenly, the advantages vanished, leaving everyone perplexed and angry. The tone quickly changed. The optimism gave way to skepticism. Fear is now beginning to sneak in. The question of whether to sell before things worsen is plaguing investors. Is there a possibility to purchase additional at a reduced price? Lately, the battle has been intense. Days have passed since Shiba Inu started to slide. It's not looking good, even if you zoom out and look at the last week. The entire pricing is still lower. Investors are also beginning to doubt everything as a result. This is more than simply a price reduction for Shiba Inu. It undermines self-assurance. Whether this is a minor setback or the beginning of a more serious decline is now the key issue. Here's the problem, however. The pricing of Shiba Inu was recently discussed in detail by one expert, and that doesn't look good. Shiba Inu is losing steam quickly, he said, and it may grow worse if things don't improve quickly. A crucial level of support just failed. That's terrible news since it might indicate that the meme currency is about to plummet much more. At the moment, Shiba Inu has fallen below a critical price range. Additionally, if it doesn't recover right away, it may remove another digit from its value. For investors, it would be a severe psychological blow. Weeks have seen the token struggle, with short-term patterns driving it steadily downward. Many people's fears were validated by the latest accident. Simply put, the purchasing power hasn't been sufficient to maintain stability. This puts Shiba Inu in a very difficult situation. The next big safety net is perilously thin, and serious harm might result if purchasers don't intervene quickly. Although the community has always been a significant component of Shiba Inu's success, it seems that both the enthusiasm and trade activity are now waning. The meme currency space is already having problems, and as fewer people participate, there is more doubt than ever about Shiba Inu's capacity to recover. It might be disastrous if the downturn continues and another critical level is broken. Shiba Inu would lose months of work and fall into a deeper rut, which would make rehabilitation much more difficult. However, there is still a possibility. A relief rally might occur, and the token could rise again if buyers turn up in numbers and hold the line. In the coming days, the true test will be whether Shiba Inu can recover its lost territory, or whether the downward pressure will cause it to drop much more. What is really happening, however, you may be wondering? Why is the Shiba Inu moving in this manner? In order to fully understand the situation, we must examine Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems to have seen the same ups and downs today. Before rising back to 81, it fell all the way to the 75 area. The market was rocked by the abrupt decline, and one expert explained why. He noted that this sudden decline led to a phenomenon known as small capitulation. A group of Bitcoin miners essentially began liquidating their shares. According to on-chain statistics, these sell-offs increased during the Bitcoin meltdown, causing exchanges to be overloaded with coins. Miners often strive to pay expenses or reduce losses when they sell in this manner. However, it worsens the decline by placing further pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Shiba Inu enter the picture here. Shiba Inu is not an exception to the fact that the whole cryptocurrency market is affected when Bitcoin declines. Prices fell everywhere as a result of the market being rocked by the decline in Bitcoin. investors began to worry. Shiba Inu also followed the pattern as there was little buying pressure to stop the sell-offs for them. It is now in the midst of the same downward trend and is having difficulty holding its footing. So, even though Shiba Inu have their own problems, today's drop wasn't only about Shiba Inu. It was a component of a larger whole. It may also be difficult for Shiba Inu to recover until Bitcoin stabilizes. Here's the problem, however. Today, a major announcement was made. It might also make all the difference. India's financial intelligence agency has formally registered Coinbase, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. They may now operate throughout the nation, according to this. We're authorized to debut in India. They even wrote in a post about it. But that's not all. Their official blog claims that this is just the start. Next year, Coinbase intends to introduce full retail services in India as part of its ongoing expansion. Why then is this such a big issue for Shiba Inu? Because one of the world's biggest crypto communities is located in India. Additionally, Shiba Inu have a crazily large fan base there. In actuality, Shiba Inu is the most popular meme currency among Indian investors. In the market, it's not simply a coin. Among the most owned and traded assets in the nation is this one. Here's the worst part. Coinbase has thousands of Shiba Inu owners already. That figure will only rise as the exchange continues to grow in India. Shiba Inu will be easier for more people to purchase, sell, and trade, which might lead to an increase in demand soon. Accessibility of this kind is important. It generates new impetus, attracts new investors, and decreases obstacles. Shiba Inu could eventually overcome its recent setbacks and begin to rise again if we witness a surge of new purchasers. Given the extent of Indian investors' sway over the cryptocurrency market, it is reasonable to assume that this type of rise might result in a sharp increase in price. Nothing is certain, of course, and market circumstances will continue to be important. However, there is one certainty. This action by Coinbase is revolutionary. Shiba Inu may have a significant comeback sooner rather than later if it manages to seize the appropriate momentum from this. What's even more significant is this. There's some crazy rumor going on right now, and if it's true, it may have a huge impact on the whole cryptocurrency market. An analyst just made a wild rumor. It's possible that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway would consider investing some of its massive $334 billion cash reserve in Bitcoin. Yes, you did indeed hear correctly. The renowned investor Warren Buffett, who has been among the most skeptical about cryptocurrency, may be poised to make a significant shift in his position. A degree of trust that cryptocurrency has never seen before would be introduced if this were to really occur, sending shockwaves across the market. How does this affect Shiba Inu, then? Everything in cryptocurrency, particularly Shiba Inu, will profit if Bitcoin receives a significant boost from this. Bitcoin leads the market, and the whole cryptocurrency industry follows when it surges. Additionally, Shiba Inu has historically been among the most volatile assets during bull runs, so a spike like this might cause its price to soar. Not only may there be a little surge in value, but there could be a significant influx of institutional capital into the cryptocurrency market if Berkshire Hathaway really begins investing in it. And if that occurs, Shiba Inu may get a lot of attention from larger players who had previously disregarded meme coins as well as new individual investors. This might be the type of occurrence that ultimately drives Shiba Inu beyond significant price points, wiping out some zeros and significantly reviving its popularity. Just the enthusiasm might lead to enormous pressure to purchase, and we could see a rise unlike any other in recent memory if Shiba Inu gains enough traction. Of course, at this time, this is just a rumor. However, if it is confirmed, Shiba Inu owners may be in for something really unique. Furthermore, it is evident from a broader perspective that Shiba Inu are not only surviving but also preparing for a prosperous future. Recently, Lucy, the head marketing for Shiba Inu, tweeted her opinions. Additionally, it really helps put things into perspective. Decentralization, adoption, and innovation will continue to advance, she argued, regardless of how much rules change, assaults occur, or narratives evolve. The teams who can weather the current storm will be the ones driving digital banking in the future. Naturally, she terminated things with Shiba Inu. She is also quite correct. The cryptocurrency market is volatile, with many ups and downs. However, who can endure is what counts most. Shiba Inu have often shown their worth. This coin isn't simply a meme. Real projects, enthusiastic developers, and a community that never gives up make up this ecosystem. Shiba Inu never gives up despite all the wrecks and uncertainties. Future price movements are not the only thing to consider. Staying ahead of the curve, innovative technology, and long-term acceptance are the key. Indeed, Shiba Inu is doing just that, as Lucy noted. But how do you feel about this? Post a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.